What's going on, guys? P Will back here for another video. So I am currently on a ruck march. So I have the assault pack. This is like the introductory ruck march. Is just 3 miles, light pace with some weight on your back. I haven't rucked in a long time, so I'm just getting back into the swing of things. But this program is designed to take you from not rucking to rucking 12 miles. But yeah, this is a 4-day weekend this weekend. This is going to be a full, I'm not sure if I'm going to do weekend or just day, but I'm definitely working on my YouTube channel today, working on school, studying for this course I'm going to be going to, and I'm going back to the gym to hit some legs later on. So I left my ruck back at Fort Riley, so I'm headed over to my NCO's room, and he's going to let me use his ruck. So that's where we're headed right now. Got it. So this is actually the small ruck, but it will get the job done. Army, if somebody doesn't have something, people step up and help out their battle buddies. So that's always that's one good thing about the Army, the brotherhood. Oh, and before I get the question, so I'm packing. So all my stuff is out. Care package from mom and dad. So I do have this ruck. It is unofficial. It's one I bought from the PX. And then I also have assault pack. I have this assault pack and this assault pack. So I don't have the official assault pack. They're both back at Fort Riley. Reason is because when I got my original packing list, they were not on there. So I do have 2 unofficial assault packs. You can wear them because, that's camouflage and that's coyote brown, so they are within regulation. It's just not what you get from RFI. And those probably wouldn't hold up on a ruck march. Like sustained long periods of time over and over again, 5, 6, 7 different ruck marches. So I got the heavy duty small ruck. It's not the large ruck. There is a difference, but it will get the job done. So you OGs to my channel will probably know this, but 2 of my, I wouldn't say favorite things, but 2, very important things to me. Quest bars and Jewel pods. And my parents sent me both of them, along with a lot of other stuff in this care package. So, it's such a motivator and such a morale booster when your parents and your family from back home send you stuff over here, on deployment. So all of you spouses or parents out there, definitely send your soldiers something. It doesn't have to be much. It doesn't have to be a whole care package like this. I've got a lot of stuff, but anything will make their day brighter. Anything you can spare, anything that that they like, definitely let them know that you're thinking about them. And I also want to show you one of my arch nemesis, these Rice Krispie, what are they called? Poppers. So it's basically a Rice Krispie treat covered in white chocolate. If I either have to give these away or eat a few and then give the bag away, because I have no self-control with these. These are one of the few foods I have no self-control over. I will sit here and eat this whole bag if I let myself. So I'm not even gonna open it because nobody else is here right now. I'm not even gonna open it. I'm not even gonna give myself the, I'm also the same way with these peanut M&Ms. So my parents definitely know how to hook me up, but yeah, definitely send your soldiers some care packages. It will make their day, I promise you. So I'm trying to film a video. I've got my camera set up, jank setup, right? Very professional. Do y'all hear that? Do y'all hear this? I don't know if y'all can hear it. Somebody is sawing something. Right when I started recording my video, somebody starts sawing. I'm not happy right now. One thing I want to talk about while I'm here working out and everybody watches me vlog is not having time to work out. I hear a lot, people are I just don't have time to work out. And right now, granted, I have more time to work out, than I would back at Fort Riley because we don't have standardized PT here except for once a week. But it's still at least a 9 to 5 job with, you know, a lot of times working past 5 o'clock, working weekends sometimes, staff duty, 24-hour duty, and I still make time to work out at least twice a day. Let me rephrase that, at least once a day, at most of the time, 5 days a week, twice a day. On top of working, on top of going to school, and on top of YouTube. And I don't think I'm working like hard, I just think that's how you're supposed to live. You're supposed to grind in your 20s and 30s so you can shine in your 40s. I'm going for that early retirement, that fire lifestyle, but I'm getting back to my workout. Just don't make excuses. You have time to work out.
So I want to talk to you real quick about my quick and efficient push-up routine that I'm doing to really increase my score for my upcoming PT test. It's a simple routine, it's a time-efficient routine, but you need to get in there and you need to push yourself. So for optimal performance and optimal increases, I would run it 3 times a week, but you can turn it into a 2-day-a-week split. So Mondays, I'm going to come in and do 5 by rounds every minute on the minute of 35% of my max push-ups. So if you score, 72 push-ups, times that by 0.35, and that's how many push-ups you need to do every minute on the minute. On Wednesday, I'm going to come in and do the same thing, but I'm going to do it with hand release push-ups. And then Friday, I'm going to come in and do 6 by rounds every 1 minute 15 seconds with my push-ups, and I'm going to do 30%. And I'm going to go with 6 rounds, get a little bit more volume, less fatigue, and focus more on form. This is not the smoker. This is just to get your form down and keep that muscle memory going. So this is my quick, efficient routine. It is really, I'm progressing on it each week. If I started on week 1 and I was failing at the end of the workout, and then week 2 I came in and I could complete all rounds, the completed push-up. So it really is really helped me increase my push-ups. Push-ups for me is my weakest APFT category. So try it out. Let me know how it works for you, and I'd love to hear your feedback on it. So yeah.
So I just got back from Chow. I'm trying to be quiet. People are watching a movie, but I'm in the MWR. Some of you haven't seen this before. I am currently uploading a video, and then I am also editing a video. I like to multitask, like I've talked about before. So while I'm editing and uploading this video, I'm also listening to my audiobooks. Always knocking out an audiobook when I can. Saturday, sorry for the sun again. It is what it is. But I got up this morning, did a little PT sprint drag carry training, and then I had to go into work for a little while. Now I am walking to the gym, to the Polish gym, and gonna do some bodybuilding type stuff. What's up, bro? Some bodybuilding type stuff, chin-ups, dips, arms, and yeah, continue on my goal, go back, work on school a little bit more, edit some videos, and we'll be good. I'll see about getting some footage in this gym. We'll see how crowded it is, but no guarantees. So tonight we are headed out bowling. We are going to, the bowling alley is actually in the malls here, so we're gonna go do that. It's a vlog. Why am I telling you this? We're supposed to just do it. Check out my boy's shirt. I like it. Famous now. I like it. For the vlog. Turn it off. So I'm currently winning. Strike right here. I'm calling it before I shoot it. Fix the shirt. Anything for your viewers? I got it wrong. You let them down. You let them down. Alright guys, that is the video, little weekend vlog. I've got staff duty in the morning, so that's what I'm doing. I might make a staff duty vlog. I don't know, I've got a lot of work to do on staff duty, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope the push-up tip and workout, the little workout segment helped you guys out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Any other questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comments section down below. You can also come over to my social medias, they are in the description box. You can keep up with me and ask any other questions over there. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.